In this video, we will learn about the bacterial disease typhoid, which is also known as enteric fever. Okay. Now, typhoid is basically an acute infection of intestine. We have small intestine and large intestine. Okay. Now, causative agent of typhoid is the rod-shaped bacteria, which are Salmonella typhi. Okay. Now, what is the mode of transmission? Basically, we get it from the food and water contaminated with feces of patient. Now, housefly carry pathogen from feces to food, milk, and water. Again, you can see that housefly are the main pathogen carrier, which is vector, spreading yet another disease, which is typhoid. Now, pathogens enter via mouth, reach intestine, and cause lesions in the intestinal wall. Now, the incubation period, which is the period of entry of the pathogen to the disease symptoms or sign, varies from 1 to 3 weeks. Okay. Now the symptoms are high fever in the first and second week, and then gradually it declines during the third and fourth week. Acute headaches and severe body ache, weakness and loss of appetite, which means you will not feel hungry. Now constipation and stomach pain, liver and spleen becomes enlarged. In severe cases, we get intestinal perforations and death may occur. Now intestinal perforation basically means holes in your intestine. Okay. Now this will cause your death, obviously, and it can be confirmed by Vidal test. Okay, typhoid fever can be confirmed by Vidal test. Okay, now preventive measures and cure. So we have to maintain proper community sanitation. Cleaned and chlorinated water supply system should be there. You have to maintain your personal cleanliness. Now you have to prevent the contamination of food by flies or by dust. Now the cooks and food handlers in eating establishments should be pressed upon to wash their hands with soap and water before food handling. Now for this point there is a very interesting story that there was a girl named Mary Mellon. Now she was named as Typhoid Mary because whenever she used to cook and serve her food, and the people who used to eat her food becomes sick by typhoid, hence giving her the name Typhoid Mary because she never used to wash her hand. Okay, you will learn more about that in your class 12th. Now, typhoid vaccines provide immunity for about 3 years. Rest, care about food and proper nursing are essential for some days in order to prevent a relapse. Okay, which means that if you will not take care of your food habits and proper nursing is not there, then you can again get the typhoid fever. Now, control is simply you have to take two drugs. One is ampicillin, another is chloromycetin. Now, these are the two drugs which are used against typhoid. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.